This is the CST 2.5 connector, and this will be this is having the connector detail here. If you see, it is one of that. This is the terminal detail. It is mentioned here, Elemex make. I hope you are seeing this. It is mentioned here, and it will be like this. This is a screw type. Once you press the screw, this is the wire, and this is for the screw. Now this has to be connected something like this. We have to press the screw here. It will come here this way. As soon as we bend this, the wire will be connected through this. For example, the wire will be connecting like this. So this is the connection of the terminals. So now this will be mounted. How to mount? If you see here, this is the screw will be there here. This screw and this will be there. So this will be connected. Now what we need to do is this we have to like this. You will get the sound like this. See here, this is the termination. This is the one end, it will be connected here, another end will be this. This is having the flexible. So while removing, we have to use the screwdriver like this. If you press this, it will be get open. Now this will be connected. So once we connect, the wire will be connected something like this. We have to press here. There is no screwdriver is not required for this. There is no screws.